National Security program is a 8-day program for high school students looking to get in the fields of intelligence, diplomacy, and defense. They learn that other people are interested in what they want to do, and they get to learn from each other.
Most of the time on a day-to-day basis, I don't get to, interact with a ton of people who are interested in diplomacy or government work. So being able to come here and meet a lot of like-minded people, I was really interested in that.
When I was younger, I was obsessed with spy movies, and that has now matured to an older understanding, a more mature understanding of how intelligence is practically used in our community and specifically in our government.
We spend some time on site doing simulations, and then we spend a few days off site as well, going to some fun sites such as the National Mall, visiting the Naval Academy, and a few other more national security related sites.
We had a talk with Jonah Mendez, a former CIA operative. It was really interesting getting to hear about what she did as an operative. You don't get to hear a lot about the kind of things that people in her field do.
I think a program like this would be really enlightening to a student interested in working for national security. An opportunity to really get a better idea of what's involved. They come with great questions. Clearly they're motivated to be in these seats.
The most interesting thing I've learned is the capabilities you can have within national security, the amount of places you can be.
I hope scholars would come away with a greater appreciation for our national defense programs and an opportunity to see where they might fit into a career in national security.
I think that this program is a really great stepping stone in understanding diplomacy and what goes into being a diplomat and other careers in the government.
What I want to leave these students with is the idea that you have an opportunity to make some decisions early on. They have a chance to prepare for whatever it is they want to do, and they get some advanced ideas of what that preparation might look like.